Welcome back again to Denesh Daily Vlog. So today is Saturday, 2nd of April. Currently I'm going to Kemas, then Johor, then Kelantan. I'll be going to Kelantan for 3. So guys, I'm inside the ETS train now. I'm taking ETS train to Kemas, and from Kemas I'll be going to Johor, then Johor to Kelantan, direct train. Yeah. So this one is new train, fast train, Kemas ETS train. And from Kemas to Johor is slow train, old train, diesel engine train. And from Johor to Kelantan will be also old train, but sleeper class. We can sleep. So I have booked a sleeper class. It's a 12 hours journey, guys. So I can't wait to see Kelantan. I've never been to Kelantan, so this is my first time. So let's do it, guys. So this is the map of highway. We are at Sampit, somewhere around here. Then to Kemas, then to Johor, then Johor to Kelantan. My next train to Bahru, Johor Bahru. So this is the one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out, then go to buy some stuff, then I'll come back later. Let's go to Kemas town. So I also never been to Kemas town. Finally bought this bread for my train journey. So for tomorrow breakfast, I bought some bread. Yeah, the shop is near to train station. It's just walking distance, like 5 minutes. Just a part of town, guys, part of Kemas town. Yeah, done. So let's go back to Kemas station. So this is Kemas station. This is the train station. Then from here we're gonna go to Johor Bahru. So let's go. Kemas station is quite big compared to Batam Laka station. So now let's go and find our train. Our train is platform 5. Hey, this go to platform 5. And my coach is B12D. Seat number is 12D. So this is the coach. This is the train. So KTMB. The whole train, diesel train. So we're gonna go see in front how the train look like. It's gonna take 4 hours for me to reach Johor. So let's go and see in front. This is the train, diesel train. This is the engine. More. So B12D. So let's.
我要回去看一下，我有另外在做的吗？不懂等到怎样还有我吗
I took again window seat. All my train trip is window seat, guys. I want to enjoy this view, so show best view for you. Okay, the seat number 12A, 12B, and my one is 12D. So D is window, D is window side. Now this train is ready to go, guys. So I'm inside the train's toilet. This is train toilet actually. Let me show you. We have this is pin to charge. Then beaded spray. Yeah, this squat toilet. So just compact and mirror and tissue, dustbin, tissue paper, and then hand wash. This. It's working. It's working properly. So just very simple toilet. You can't take shower here. So just do your own stuff and then you just shit and just go. That's all guys. Toilet tour inside Shuttle, KTM Shuttle. Actually Shuttle. We are at Labis now, so another 3 hours to reach JB. So this is the new line, electric line, similar like Gemas to KL. So they're gonna extend from JB to Gemas. So it will be operation on 2024, I think, if I'm mistaken. Make sure you try this train from Gemas to JB, this Shuttle, because after 2024 or after this new line is in operation, they will cease this operation, this Shuttle train operation. Let's go to another compartment. So I think this one is C compartment. So let's go to the end. Terima kasih. Careful. Let's go to the end. Let's go back to front engine room. So I hope you have enjoyed, and now we are heading to Kempas and I'm gonna take a rest. I'll continue back at Kempas Jaya, Kempas Bahru. Okay. Actually after this there's nothing much forest view. All our forest view like palm oil estate view. That side is this estate actually. This is estate. Palm oil estate. It's breathtaking view.